Hello, Spoon. Chirp, new human friend. Blue bird, come play. Chirp, I think I like you.
Hey, that's my human!
Relax, Fluffy Tail.
Oops, dog pillow.
I'm not a pillow!
Chirp! Wait, I didn't mean to go!
Uh-oh, adventure time.
Bird friend, come back.
Don't worry, little boss.
This place feels big and scary.
Found you, Tiny Feather.
Rusty, I'm falling.
Jump toward me!
You saved me.
Friends help friends.
Bird friend gone. Chirp, I'm back.
Next time, no flying adventures.
Deal, unless snacks are outside.